Alright YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So this is a much more interesting TKL installment. So you know the dyno's finished now, that's all done and dusted. And now it's to start doing what I did the whole dyno build for. So what have we got? These is the start of my new racing engines for my go-kart. And I've gone completely mental with the spec. So we start with the blocks. We've got the Tillotson reinforced blocks with the much bigger bore. I think it's a 72 mil diameter bore. We got loads of billet stuff. Nice billet rod, flat top piston, high compression, very leery camshafts rated for 9,000 RPM, which is off the scale. The old engines were 7.4, so this should be bonkers. Got lovely billet side covers, which I might use these, or I might use the EC version, which has got the bigger cutout here for oil capacity, so you have more oil in the engine. I don't know yet. Nice billet flywheels, and yeah, absolutely everything's gonna be spanking new on this build, and I'm aiming for big figures. But this video is just going to be me putting the bottom end together, the short motor, and then the next video we'll go on to the tall motor. So just going to talk over the pictures or the video, and then just crack on with it. So I'm not going to go into too much depth, but you're going to see me assemble it. And yeah, enough waffling. Cue the funky music, and let's get going. So that's it. Engines are all built up. So we started off with a bare block. We installed a crank with the billet conrod, high compression flat top piston, brand new bearings on the flywheel side. We've got the Leary NR Racing camshaft in there. That's all timed up correctly. Got this lovely billet side cover gone on it. I've shimmed it up to give me the play that I'm happy with, but we'll see how that goes on. Installed a nice billet flywheel, all torqued up to the correct spec. Opened up a little oil drain in the head, sorry, in the bottom of the block there, just to allow the oil to flow and to breathe better with the head. I've also installed a head stud kit, just to get it nicely torqued down. It's just easy to work with, and a magnetic aluminium sump plug. So yeah, I'm really happy with how these have turned out. It's can't stop cleaning it though. This Gucci shiny stuff. But they seem to go together okay. We'll soon see how they perform. Like I say, I'm still a bit on the fence about the side covers, especially with how I shimmed it up. Have I gone too tight, or it should have more slack? I don't know. We'll soon find out. That's what it's all about. You know, if it goes wrong, we'll start again and change a few things. But at this point in the build, the short motors, I'm happy with them. They're built up. So we'll call this a day on this video. The next video will be starting with the bare cylinder heads. And I'll show you, well, I'll just video it again, just how I prep the heads, get them built up. Also measure the cut to length push rods with the roller rockers which I'm using, which are 1.2 ratio rockers. So that's going to be on the next vlog. So if you like this little bit of content, please, usual jazz, like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.